Alright, first morning here at Bears Ears, and it's raining like crazy. It's been raining since about 3 a.m. I didn't get much sleep last night at all because the tarp that I had covering the back of my truck in preparation for the rain just flapped like crazy all night. The wind was just nuts, so it was coming from every which direction, and as a result the noise was too much, and I honestly didn't even sleep at all. So but just to give you an idea of like kind of where we're at, we're in Bears Ears National Monument. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me flip this around. Yeah, you can kind of see some of the incredible features. So I'm really excited to get started here. I'm here a couple days early, and I just wanted to come here and get my bearings, but the only thing I'm worried about now is with all this rain, the washes that I drove through on the way in here, they might be flooded out, so I might be trapped in here for the day or maybe even tomorrow until it dries out. So I'm gonna go check those out right now, and hopefully they're clear-ish. I mean, there's gonna be water running through them. Hopefully it's not too much, and then that way I can get out of here and go into Bluff and go visit the education center, and then run into maybe either Moab or Durango and get some supplies. So we'll see. All depends on the washes. We'll go check them out now.